IPL technology offers a gentle, non-invasive, long-lasting solution to unwanted hair on the face, back, legs, bikini line or any other body area. Based on technology used for over a decade, IPL hair removal has been performed safely for many years, effectively eliminating dozens of hairs with each pulse. The MBNS practitioners hold laser qualifications and have over 10 years of experience of helping clients feel better and more confident. Safety eye protection wear is used throughout the procedure. Chilled air is used for patient comfort of the treatment area. Also, cool gel is applied to perform a protective barrier for your skin. The light is applied and there is a fleeting sensation of heat. The treatment proceeds very swiftly. Whilst the treatment feels hot to the skin, it is usually comfortable. Facial hair removal is usually completed after 8 treatments, 6 to 8 weeks apart, whilst body treatments take place each 12 weeks and usually only requires 5 treatments.